Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage project handoffs in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. First up, we have the project duplication step. In Todoist, you can create a duplicate of your existing project before handing it over. Simply right-click on the project and choose Duplicate. The reason we do this is to have a backup of the project should any issues arise during the handoff. Let me explain why this matters. In the fast-paced world of project management, having this safety net ensures that no vital information is lost in the transition. Now that we've done that, let's move on. Next up is the assignment of tasks. This involves assigning the tasks within the project to the new project owner. Click on each task and use the Assign To option. This not only delegates responsibility, but also, as you'll see, it gives the new owner a clear overview of their responsibilities. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you assign tasks, the new owner will start receiving notifications, helping them to get up to speed quickly. Our next step is setting the due dates. Go through each task, click on it, and set a due date. This helps us because it provides a timeline for the project and ensures the new owner knows when each task should be completed. Now, let's talk about the project handover. Go to the project settings by clicking on the project name at the top, then click on Share Project. Enter the new owner's email address and send them an invitation. Once they accept, they'll have all the access they need to manage the project. The reason we do this is to efficiently transfer all control of the project to the new owner without any miscommunication or data loss. Finally, once the new owner has accepted, you can remove yourself from the project. Go back to Project Settings, find your name, and click Remove. This is the final step in passing the baton and ensuring the new project owner has full reign. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully handed over a project in Todoist. Remember, the key is in the preparation, duplicating the project, assigning tasks, setting due dates, and finally, sharing and leaving the project. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your project handoffs.